What's going on, folks? Back again with another episode of the Daily ASIN Teardown. Johnny with PickFu here, and what are we looking at over here? What is that? What are we talking about? We're looking at omega-3 pet soft gels for dogs. Now, how did I get here with my random pulling of products every day? I just typed in pet supplement and I came across some interesting stuff, and I just scrolled and I grabbed one that I didn't think was super compelling, based in the Wild West category that is pet supplements, people supplements, all that kind of good stuff. Grab these guys here, Nordic Naturals, and they're no small fish. Thanks to Jungle Scout for some data on this video today. You're moving about 8,500 units, about 500,000 in sales a month on this listing. So no small cheese, right? But if you're a smaller brand and you're looking at this, is this best practice? No. They're getting away with this because they're a brand in the space. They have the chops, if you will. They have the historicals. They have the receipts. They have 4,000 ratings, 4.6 stars. Now, I'm looking at this not taking that into account, but just saying what's best practice. So for me, for main hero image, it's missing stuff. It's missing a dog. There's a silhouette over here, but it's missing a dog. It's missing showing the actual product. It's missing showing dead pixel real estate space up here. So those are the three biggest things. And also, where is it made? Is it made in the US? I need to know that kind of stuff. Now, second image, what's a guaranteed analysis? Maybe that's a pet term, I don't know. But when I see guarantee, it makes me kind of, it's a trigger word for me. So pet soft gels, potency, purity, freshness. There's a lot of words, but what do they mean? For dogs 20 pounds and up. So that's super important information that I would like to see here. Because what happens if I have a dog that's 10 pounds and I land on this and I buy it and I don't see over here, oh my God, it's for 20 pounds and up. I bought the wrong thing for Cosmo. Good thing my dog is like 50 pounds and he's only 7 months, whatever. But understanding that's important information you'd want to have in the main hero image. Let's go to the third image. Fish oil for pet health. Natural, pure, sustainable. Compared to what? Why is this better? Healthy, are they all not like this? Healthy heart, skin and coat, immune system health, joint health. Show those things. Healthy heart, show a dog running. Skin and coat, show a dog with long hair, looks healthy. Immune system, show a dog that's maybe in a kennel or maybe at a dog park where that's important. Joint health, show an older dog. People are very visual creatures. Award-winning formula, okay, 330 milligrams total omega with 165 milligrams. Like, what does that mean? Why choose us? Better absorption, proven purity, sustainable. What's sustainable? Sustainable packaging? Is it sustainably harvested? Is it my dog's going to be sustainable? What does that mean? And then this image here, superior quality. I never like when people say that because just tell me why it's superior quality. Don't just, that's almost like when people say premium quality. Made with integrity. Well, how is it made with integrity? Product transparency. Okay. So in all of this, we really don't see any lifestyle avatars of dogs. We see this guy over here, you know, and we see this faraway shot, which almost looks like the Amazon error dogs. Just be honest with you. I'm triggered by this by thinking I went to a dead page or something. But even here, where's the dog over here? They're happy family. They don't look like dog owners. They don't have a dog. So we want to really showcase all the different dog breeds, the dog size, show more of the rah-rah American dog that most folks are going to have. And then also I see 180 soft gels. How many is my dog taking a day? And if he's taking one a day, then is that a 180-day supply? Because that speaks more volumes than a 180 count. So let's go down here and take a look. A brand story module using, that's great. No dogs here. I see fish. I want to see dogs. To people wanting to live a healthy life. Okay, so is this so this brand is not just for dogs. That's okay. But I'm here for my dog. So I don't see anything about pets. I don't see anything like that. Now I get it. Brand story modules, you brand holistically, but understand, I want to know what's your entire line. Like, oh, great, something for my dog, but maybe there's something for me too. Like, what does that whole hierarchy look like? Alt text, you're using it, not using it as good as you could be. It's just kind of labels of what the images are. Let's go to the A+. Right away, I don't see any branding up here for who you are. You want to keep on with the consistency of it. Premium omega-3 fish oil for pets. Okay. So I still don't see the product. I see a dog eating next to the product, but I thought this was for dogs 20 pounds and up. That dog looks a little smaller to me. I could be wrong, but that dog looks like a smaller dog. Available in liquid for all dogs and cats, and soft gels. And soft gels for medium to large breed dogs. Okay. So is this one eating the liquid? Do you have liquid kind of? You don't have the liquid offered over here as a style, which is fine, but that's not resonating with me as the proper avatar for this product. You have a video. I'm not going to click on it because I never click on videos. And then you're showing. So it seems like the Nordic Promise. Again, this is just saying things. It's not really telling me why. If I take a look at the alt text here, yeah, alt text is just omega-3 pet. Like, it's not really doing it. But again, you guys are, this brand is, crushing it in the space, but are they leaving money on the table for other people to come in and tell that story better? Yes. Could they be making more money by giving more transparency, even though they're a big fan of product transparency? Well, not so much, because I can't see what the product looks like. I know it's like transparency about, how it's manufactured, but I need to see more, like omega-3 and wild anchovy and sardine oil. Show me a slice of an anchovy over here, or a piece of fish, and then the capsules over here. I still don't know how many I'm taking per day for my dog. Okay, let's look at the bullets. Guaranteed. What's the serving? So I don't know. It doesn't really tell me how many I'm supposed to take. Oh, okay, here we go. I forgot this image over here. Suggested daily use: 1 soft gel for every 20 pounds of body weight. Okay, so how does my dog take it? Do I just give it to him? Do I put it in his food? Do I break it open? I need to know more. And give me, like, I didn't know that until I got to this last image. Sometimes folks won't get there. So you want to be very clear about how it's for 20 pounds and up, and for every 20 pounds. So if I have an 80-pound dog, he's doing 4 of these a day. So that needs to be really clear to someone when they're making the purchase. But when I took a look at some Jungle Scout data on this, I thought it was pretty interesting, because I looked at the keywords: salmon oil for dogs. Now, organically ranked 80, but out of the ballpark for sponsored rank. So it seems like they're not paying for that placement, but they're ranked highly on it, or somewhat highly. Not really highly at all. I'm literally stepping on my dog right now, Jesus, as I'm doing a pet supplement review. But why are we not paying for a high search volume for this product unless it's not relevant? So fish oil for dogs here, organic 8, but we're not paying for placement. That looks to be, yes, you're ranked really highly on that, but could we be higher with some paid ranking? Fish oil supplements, again, it doesn't say it's for dogs or not. So omega-3 for dogs, this is a good one. This is probably the biggest moneymaker. So you are paying to be number 1 here and organically number 3, but why are we not doing that for fish oil for dogs or salmon oil for dogs? My New York just slipped out for a second when I said dogs. So yeah, I try and I try and mask it, but sometimes it comes out. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So this is really, really good information. But guys, I always bring the receipts, and this PickFu is not done running yet, but maybe it is. No, we still got people responding. So I ran the link over here. I said, if you're purchasing for Amazon pet supplements based on this listing, what information would you want to see? So folks are saying, seems like a high quality product, packaging goes well. Have there been any side effects or adverse reactions? Well, that's good. I need to know that. Folks don't want to talk about that, but if my dog's going to get an upset stomach, nausea, diarrhea, indigestion, is that a commercial for something? Is that Pepto-Bismol? I feel like a soft gel tablet would be hard for me to get my dog to take. I like a chewable, it'd be easier for a dog to take. So that's my question, is how am I giving it to my dog? So that person had the same kind of question as well. Yes, it looks good. Yes, it's clear. Yes, I probably wouldn't buy this. My dog really doesn't like supplements that aren't flavored. Okay, so again, it goes back into how is the dog going to take it? The main question is, why would my dog need this? Do they not get enough in their regular diet? If you answered these, I'd consider buying. Okay, well, that's great. Like, why should you buy it? I didn't really think about that, but until I ran the PickFu. But why would I buy it? Like, what is this? What is my dog lacking that they need this in? I would consider it since it's legit and has good reviews, but I would like to see some statements from veterinarians that about whether this is really necessary or helpful to what kinds of dogs in particular. So when we go back here, why is someone taking it? Research shows that the essential fatty acids in fish oil help support your dog's heart, skin, coat, immune, and joint support. So it's you're saying it over here, but it's not like, okay, you say it here, but it's not being said. Does that make sense? You're just saying what it helps, but why does my dog need it? I think is a really good question that the PickFu panelists have given that should be answered. That's it for me today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this teardown. I love doing pet products. I love doing supplements. I think it's super important because these are the kind of products that are ingestible either by us or our furry friends, and they're repeat purchasing. So you see over here, there's a lot of subscribe and save versus the one-off like a shelf or an umbrella or something like that. This is what's going to keep having people come back and back and back and subscribe and reorder and all that kind of good stuff. So when you get them on the hook for something, they're going to stay with you for a pretty long time if it's a good product. So let me know what you guys think. And if this is something that was compelling and interesting to you at all, and you're like, John, I don't want to do all this work. This sounds great, but how do I do it? I'm not a Canva magician like you. I don't want to go through all these polls. I'm a solopreneur and I'm barely keeping things together working from home with crazy kids like me. We got you. PickFu done for you. We take care of all of it for you. You give us your image. We run all the polls for you. We have a graphic designer go out there, create, iterate over and over to give you the best main hero image to get a higher click-through rate to make sure that when people see your product on the SERP, they're seeing it. Oh, okay. This is what the gel capsule looks like. This is what the ingredients is. This is the value prop on top. Everyone in the space is doing this. Post edit, showing the product. Post edit, showing the product. So you have to be doing this. And if you don't want to do it yourself, we can do it for you. It's not a DIY, it's a DFY, baby. But we will see you guys tomorrow on another episode of the Daily ASIN Teardown, powered by PickFu with Johnny. That's all we really got. So bye.